Hello guys, welcome to Unique Net Tech channel. Here I am bring you today Sapphire Global device. I am gonna introduce today to Sapphire device. This device is a global hotspot device. Also people knows about this device like travel Wi-Fi. You can use this device wherever you go, wherever you travel, from one country to another country, one region to another regions. This device is a unique device and different kind of device. So for this device you need to have a Wi-Fi wherever you go, right? So you can browse videos, movies, anything wherever you are, wherever you located. So this device is very helpful to travel any other countries without any internet or anything. So this device give you a globally Wi-Fi and globally plans and everything. So today I'm gonna show you how this device work and how you can buy a plan and how you can manage everything for the data packages. So this device costs $149. If you wanna buy this device, it has an online website. I'm gonna show you how you can purchase the device first, and then I will show you how it works and how it will be activated. So go to the Google and type Sapphire Go. Once you click on Sapphire Go, it will give you the first website like sapphirego.com global hotspot. Once you click on that one, it will take you the website to buy a device. The Sapphire, it is two kind of devices. Here you can connect click Sapphire 2 and Sapphire Touch 2. So this device cost you $149 normally, but sometimes website has a offer or something, so you will get less prices and cheap plans also. See the interface is looks like this one. Also see it has another device also, which is touch screen with the battery pack. I will make another video for that one. Right now you can go with this one. So I will explain everything about this device. See, this is the brochure. The device is work. These all are countries, and you can pay for the country's data packages through the application. So that is the main important thing, that you need it, because normally people travel anywhere, they have to search first a mobile store to get internet on their phone. But if you have this one, you carry this one with you around the world. You don't need to visit any mobile store, or you don't need to search anywhere in the world to mobile store to get internet. Once you open the box, you will get another box. This one you have to pull it out, and then you will get the device. And this is the device. It is called Sapphire 2. Okay, it has a little barcode inside and backside, and name IMEI name and password, so you can connect through this one. So as you can see, I open the front cover, so you can see the barcode, name, everything inside. Same like this barcode, if you lost it or you scratch it and it's not working, you can open the front cover and you have a same barcode inside. Also the device accept the SIM card also. If you go somewhere and you like a SIM card plan cheaper, you can go with the SIM card and you can use the physical SIM card inside. So, and by the chance, if you buy the device and you wanna change the name and password and you don't know how to change it, so what you have to do is first you turn on the device through this one, and you have to go to your Wi-Fi and connect with this name and password. Okay, once you connected with this device with this name and password, then you have to go to the so once you connected, you go to the website and type this one, 192.168.43.1, 192.168.43.1, and then it will ask you the admin password and admin name. So you type this one, admin and admin. Once you enter this one, it will show you this name and password, so you can delete and put whatever you like it. And the box contains the hanger of the device, and it has a charger which is micro charger, so you can charge like old Samsung chargers. Same way, it has a port here, and here is the power button, so you can turn off and turn on. And this is the reset button in case you forget you change the password and name and you forget it, and you don't know what is the name and password. So you have to take a paper clip and hold it here for 10 seconds, and it will be reset automatically and it goes to default name and password, and then you can connect with this same name and password. Overall, the device has a good battery life, and the device comes with 1 year warranty, so you can claim it if you have any problems or anything. And device has a good 3500 mAh battery life, so it almost for one day will enough for this device to work, use internet and everything. So overall for me, I like it and it's nice. And now I'm gonna show you how to activate through the application and what kind of application. So you can buy the data plan, and you can surf everything. So if you have an Apple or Android, on Apple you have to go to App Store, if you have Android you have to go to Play Store. Okay, so you have to go to the app and just write Sapphire. Okay, once you write Sapphire, it will show you the Sapphire Global app. This is the application logo. I already downloaded, so for me it's showing open. Okay, once you click download, make sure everything is open. After downloading the application, it will ask you to log in. If you have a username and password already, you can log in. If you don't have, you can go to the register. Here the register, type your email, go to the next and create your password, and they will send you email confirmation on your email, whatever you put here, the email. Once you confirm that email, you can go to and log in. After you enter your email and password, you can go to the next, and this is the interface apps looks like. So here if you have a data plan or you have packages, you can click and it will show you. Right now I don't have any plan or anything, so I go back. If you need to buy a plan, see, these are the plans. This is for USA. If you want, see, you can go to more. It has all these countries, see, all over the world, almost all the world. So you can choose whatever country you go, and you can buy a plan. Also it has a global plans, so you can buy a global plans to see. These are the global plans, and these are Afghanistan, Anguilla, Albania, Angola, Argentina, Kuwait, every UAE, all over the world. So you can hit the plan. Like we can go to the Kuwait and see 1 day, 7 days, 15 days. This is very good plans. So like any plan, I'm just selecting and then go to the purchase. And 3, see, PayPal, credit card, debit card. You can go and you can pay for the plan and you're good. And then you come back and you can check. It will show you here now. So this barcode you have to link with the device application. So application and device should be bind each other. See, it is here is the option to link the device, and then you have to scan this to back side of camera. Okay, and once you bind, everything is all right. Yes, hope you like this video and you like the informations what I share with you. Please comment. If you need any more informations, please let us know. Thank you. Hopefully you enjoy my video.